जैसा कि बच्चों आपको पता है कि आजकल कोरोना वायरस की मद्देनज़र स्कूल कॉलेज सभी बंद हैं, तो अब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का प्रचलन शुरू हुआ है। आज हम भी बच्चों को यहाँ एक ऑनलाइन क्लास दे रहे हैं मैथमेटिक्स से संबंधित, जिसमें 10th क्लास के बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। और ये हम फर्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जिसका नाम है रियल नंबर्स। आप जानते हैं द फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अर्थमेटिक्स ऑन द अदर हैंड हैज़ टू डू समथिंग with multiplication of positive integers. You already know that every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime in a unique way. Some examples you read in the previous class, such as under root 2, under root 3 and under root 5. These are the irrational number. Okay, and now we discuss about the rational number. The rational number are those which are written in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and the q is not equal to 0. This is the rational number. सबसे पहले हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं यूक्लिड्स डिवीज़न लेमा। ये फर्स्ट थ्योरम है, थ्योरम 1, यूक्लिड्स डिवीज़न लेमा। जैसा कि आप पहले से जो इंटीजर्स गिविंग पॉजिटिव इंटीजर a and b, we write this such as a is equal to bq plus r, where r is the remainder. R is remainder. When we divide a number by the another number, we can get a quotient and a remainder. If the given number is not perfectly divisible by the given number, so we write this. For example, 5 is divided by 2. When we divide the 5 by 2, the quotient is 2, 2 to the 4 and the remainder is 1. We can write this such as dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is known by every student. So we write here dividend is 5, divisor is 2, quotient is also 2 and the remainder is 1. This application we write in the form of Euclid's division lemma. Now we are discuss about the exercise 1.1. जैसा कि आप NCERT बुक्स में देख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस, क्वेश्चन 1. By use Euclid's division algorithm. Use Euclid's division algorithm. Find the SCF, find the SCF of first part is this 225। जैसा कि हमने अभी आपको दिखाया था, डिवाइड करके डिवीजन मेथड से हम SCF फाइंड करेंगे। सो वी राइट द टू नंबर्स हियर, द लार्ज नंबर इज इनसाइड द ब्लॉक and the smaller number is outside the block, and we divide this number. So you know that 135 बन जा 135, and now subtract this number from the 225. We get 0 and 9 here. Now the 135 is much more than 90, so we put this ahead, and the previous number which is divide the number we write here, and again we divide this 135 by 90, 90 बन जा 90, we can get a remainder 5, 9, 4 here, and now 45 is outside and the bigger number is 90 inside the box, and now we complete this 45 to the 90, and there is no remainder here. Now we complete this question by using Euclid's division lemma. So we write the first term 225, which is the dividend, and the divisor is 1. Dividend is 225, divisor is 135, quotient is 1 plus remainder is 90. Here the remainder is equal to 90, which is not equal to 0. So we again complete this question in the form here. The 135 is dividend, divisor is 90, and quotient is also 1 plus remainder is 45. Here we also notice that remainder is not equal to 0. Then again we write here remainder is equal to 45, which is not equal to 0. So again dividend is 90, divisor is 45, quotient 2 plus remainder 0. Now you see the remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, the SCF of 135 and 225 is the last divisor. Last divisor is 45. This is the answer of the question. So another two part of this question are given in the NCERT book. Second part and third part you do yourself at your home. So today's class is stop. Very short break. I come here after a short break.